Book 331, The Magic Key, The Zipper. Kipper was struggling to fasten his heavy winter coat, but the stiff wooden buttons kept slipping through the loose fabric loops. Suddenly, the magic key on the bedside table began to glow bright green. The magic whisked Biff, Chip, and Kipper back in time to 1913. They landed in Meadville, Pennsylvania, inside the bustling engineering workshop of the Hookless Fastener Company. A brilliant Swedish-American engineer named Gideon Sundback greeted them warmly. He showed the children older 19th century clasp lockers made with clumsy metal hooks that frequently jammed and popped open. Gideon had designed a revolutionary breakthrough. Instead of unreliable hooks, he increased the fastening density to 10 metal teeth per inch, creating 2 flexible, facing rows of metal elements. Gideon handed Chip a magnifying glass to inspect the tiny teeth. Each individual tooth featured a tiny raised cone on top and a hollow pocket on the bottom, allowing opposite teeth to interlock seamlessly. Next, Gideon demonstrated the Y-shaped metal slider. As he pulled the slider forward, its internal channels brought the 2 rows together at a precise angle, meshing every tooth securely in place. Across the workshop, Gideon's scrapless manufacturing machine was slicing teeth from special Y-shaped wire and clamping them tightly onto sturdy cloth tape ribbons at incredible speed. Gideon tested a prototype boot with the new fastener. As he pulled the slider up, it made a brisk, cheerful zip sound, sealing the fabric instantly without a single button or loop. While admiring the towering spools of zipper tape, Floppy wagged his tail and accidentally bumped the main speed lever on the automated machine. The stamping machine began whirring out of control. Giant ribbons of interlocking metal zipper shot across the workshop like runaway vines. Fasteners zipped toolboxes shut, zipped blueprints together, and coiled wildly around the wooden workbenches. Endless streams of zipper zipped past their heads and tangled around the coat racks. Amid the spinning, zipping chaos, Kipper reached into his pocket as the magic key began to glow bright green. The magic carried the children safely back into their bedroom just in time. Kipper pulled the zipper on his modern jacket smoothly to the top with a laugh. Gideon Sundback really made life easier. He smiled.